Here I have SOYES S10 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the security section, fingerprint, tap continue. Next you have to select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Let's select pin. Next you have to enter your pin, confirm it. Next you have to select if you wish to see notifications on the lock screen. You can see all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just disable notifications. Then tap done, then tap next, and what you have to do next is to find a fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your screen, of your device, and just tap it with your finger several times, just like this, for it to remember your fingerprint. Fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device with only just your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.